Hello everyone, Gene here. Had a hyperlapse I'm going to post here for you to watch. It's we had three large ash trees in our backyard. They're about 60 feet tall, but they're all dying because of emerald ash borer. It's a bug here in this area that's been decimating the ash tree population. There's not much anyone can do about it. The larva bores into the center of the tree and just kills it from the inside out. And they're getting dangerous to have up, so we took our stimulus money, and that's what a lot of it went for, is taking these three down. And I found it pretty interesting just to watch the hyperlapse of him cutting these down with a boom truck and then chopping it up. And next week the splitting starts with me and my nephews, so hope you enjoy this hyperlapse, and we'll see you on the next one.